decades, Angola has been known for its challenges, a country shaped by war, inequality, dependence on oil, and decades of economic instability. But what if that is only one side of the story? What if Angola is also a country with enormous potential that hasn't yet been fully discovered? Because beneath those challenges lies something much bigger. A country with enormous natural resources, millions of hectares of agricultural land, a long Atlantic coastline, and a geographic position that could make it one of the most strategically important economies in Southern Africa. The question is not whether Angola has potential. They definitely do. The question is, what are they going to do with it? Africa is often described as the cradle of humanity, the place where our story began. But this channel isn't about where Africa began, it's about where Africa could go next. Here we're going to explore business, technology, infrastructures, investments, industries, and innovation. And most importantly, the economic transformation happening or waiting to happen across the continent. And we are starting with Angola. Because they're perfect? Far from it. But because Angola represents one of the most interesting economic questions in Africa. How can a country with enormous potential transform this potential to prosperity? Look at Angola on the map. It sits on the Atlantic coast of southern Africa within more than 1,000 kilometers of coastline and access to major international shipping routes. Its territory is enormous. Its agricultural potential is enormous. It has oil, natural gas, gold, iron ore, and other mineral resources. It has rivers capable of supporting agriculture and hydroelectric power. And perhaps most importantly, it has millions of young people who will shape the future of this country for the next several decades. On paper, this sounds like the foundation of a wealthy country. But history has taught us something important. Resources alone do not create prosperity. If they did, every resource-rich country would be rich. They aren't. Natural resources are only the beginning. The real wealth is created when countries learn how to transform what they have. Oil becomes petrochemicals, agricultural land becomes a food industry, minerals become manufacturing, ports become logistic hubs. Young people become engineers, entrepreneurs, scientists, designers, and business owners. Resources becomes industries, industry create companies, company create jobs, jobs create skills, skills create knowledge, and knowledge allows a country to create increasingly valuable things, and that is how economies become more sophisticated. Some of the world's most successful countries didn't become rich simply because nature gave them everything they needed. Singapore has very few natural resources, yet it turned its geographic position to one of the world's most important logistics, financial, and commercial hubs. South Korea was once one of the poorest countries in the world,